Guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well and everything is great at your end. So today I'm going to talk about something which is very very important, which I always discuss in my workshops or in my seminars. So today I'm going to talk about emotional triggers. What happened is, in life, when we feel or when we are in one state and we don't know when we go to another state. For instance, if we are happy about something right now, we are just casual, we are happy, and suddenly we start feeling sad or we start feeling irritated, and we don't have a control over it. It just changes, mood swings or maybe something else. See, it's a problem which many people face. You can call it mood swings, you can call it irritation, you can call it whatever, but the solution for it is to understand the emotional trigger. Now it's very simple. If you are at one state, how do you go to a different state? There is an emotional trigger. There is a trigger point which changes you from one state to another state. Now if you think slowly, in a slow motion, and if you think the thought process that what happened, you'll find out that trigger point. And if you're just aware of that, in future, whenever you are in that kind of a situation, you will be aware, okay, this is the trigger. I don't need to feel like that. I don't need to feel sad. I don't need to feel irritated. Now this is an emotional trigger technique. It's a very easy technique, but it's a very very important technique, and anyone can use it, because I have seen many people have a lot of problems in dealing with anger, irritation, frustration. Now this is an easy technique. So what do? Go to a quiet place, sit down, relax, and just think, what was the trigger point which changed you from one state to another? Trigger point.